Hey guys, this is North back again with another video. Today's video I'm coming to you with an unboxing. I guess maybe it would be a first impressions. I've smelled it a number of times before I bought it. This will be the very first Chanel that I've gotten in a 200 ml bottle, full presentation. All the 200 mls that I own have all been testers. But my plug was able to come through and get me a deal on one that I had been looking for. Of the ones I have, it's probably the one as of now that's out of the ones that I wanted, probably maybe my least favorite one. And I ended up spending the most on it because I wasn't able to find a tester bottle on it. So let's see what it is. So I was telling my guy I was looking for this. Nobody had it down in the gray market. I told him when he gets it in, just let me know. And he finally did. When I went to pick it up, he had it in this box. I've never had a Chanel box before, but here we go. He came through, and the fragrance he got for me that I've been looking for is Boy Eau de Parfum 200 ml. So let's go ahead and get it open. This will be my first time opening up a 200 ml. As I said, all the other ones were testers. People have mentioned it before. I'm the same. I'm not a big fan of the box. I do love the bottles though. I love the minimalist aesthetic of it. It's beautiful. That's why I like them so much. And then as far as the 200 ml, none of these are really, especially not like any of the other ones besides like number 22. Eau de Cologne. Do I feel like I really want 200 mls? But it's just like I love the bottles. I love the way the 200 ml bottles look, and the 75 ml bottles just don't do it for me. But I was able to get a deal on this one, and I've been wanting Boy for a while. I was contemplating buying a 75 ml retail for it, and then he came through with this. Hopefully it will be my last purchase of 2023. So let's get it open. Here you go. On the inside, it says Eau de Parfum. I've never seen I do own an Eau de Toilette of Quai de Russie, 75 ml. I never looked on the inside if it would say Eau de Toilette on the inside. That would be cool. Here's the bottom. And the batch code on this one is 8602, if anybody knows. That, I assume it was probably produced this year or last year. I'll look it up real quick. So 8602 is March of this year that this one was produced. It was originally released in 2016 when everything, I believe, was moved over to Eau de Parfum. And I believe that Boy is one of the original creations from Olivier Polge. So let's go ahead and get it on the blotter. This is one I've been wanting for a while. I have Jersey, so I've been getting into lavender lately. So this is sort of why I wanted this one. This is considered an aromatic fougere, I believe. Yeah, aromatic fougere. And what I like about this one is that the lavender's there, but it's not the same overt and sweet lavender that you get in Jersey. So they're two different fragrances. Story about this one is that it's named after one of Coco Chanel's lover. His nickname was Boy, or his name was Boy. And this one is supposed to be like a genderless scent that's supposed to be like a woman wearing her man's like a shirt, or, you know, a large shirt or a hoodie or whatever. So that's what this is supposed to be. But it was one that I wanted. As far as a lot of the Chanels go, I just felt like some of them grew on me. Like when I finally ended up getting Le Lion, when I first smelled it, I was like, oh, that's familiar. I don't really need it. And then I ended up like almost being obsessed with it to the fact where I wanted to get rid of like almost all of my amber scents, because I felt like that one is just on a whole nother level. But I'll talk about that another time. Right now, boy, this one has a lot going on, more so than Jersey, for example. I'm just going to compare it with Jersey just because that's the lavender scent. But this one has lavender, grapefruit, lemon, rose, geranium, white musk, heliotrope, musk, and tonka bean. I've tested it a number of times in the store. I like how it sweetens up on the dry down. You get citrus blast in the opening, and you get that lavender, but it's not super loud. I think it's for me, it's a good scent. I think it's not one of the ones that's like super amazing, but it was one that I did want to add to the collection of the ones that I had. My guy came through, so that's pretty much it for this. Have you tried Boy? Do you like Boy? If you were to compare it to the other lavender one, Jersey, which one would you prefer? I still have to get to know this one. This is usually when I'm testing things, and even when I've gone and tested Boy, the 2 or 3 times that I have, I'm usually on the road, meaning like I'm running errands and things like that. I'll spray a couple other things. I might just have been in the mall. I'm not just spraying this. So I have to get to know it more, but I pretty much just wanted to do the unboxing. This hopefully will be, again, my last purchase of 2023. Until next year, I have something that'll come in if I get it in before the end of the year. Something that I bought like months ago. So I just try to hold off. The guy came through. I told him don't call me again until next year. So let me know if you've tried Boy in the comments. Let me know what some of your favorite Les exclusives are. And please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.